You can see we got our potatoes going right there in that pan. We got our sausage getting in that pan. I'm going to back out here. We got our oil in the pan. I'm going to go ahead and turn this pan on and get it warmed up. We got our eggs ready to go. I just want to stir this up a little bit. Remember, the sausage is fully cooked, so it doesn't have to be, but I just want to kind of get a nice little crust on it, bring out some of those natural flavors. Potatoes are almost done. I'm going to go ahead and turn those off. Oil is hot. Let's get it all over the pan. Remember, you just want to push the inside, outside of the omelet that's cooked. You can see the rim changing color as it cooks. You want to push those in and lean your pan so the raw egg goes to the outside and slides underneath and cooks. This is only a 2-egg omelet, but it's going to look like about a 6-egg omelet when we're done with it. Medium-high heat. Sorry, medium to high heat. You want to get all that runny egg off of there as much as you can before we go in for the flip. I'm going to back out and try something here, guys. Alright, the egg is flipped, raw side underneath, heat goes off. Remember, you don't want to get that outside of that omelet or the inside to where it is brown and crispy looking. I know I've seen pictures all over the World Wide Web and people posting pictures of an omelet that's just literally brown and almost black. That's just not the way to serve an omelet. If you got a problem with that, go ahead and leave a comment below and explain why. Back out just a little bit to plate here. Remember, you got it. Just take your omelet, set it down, use your pan to flip it over.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Yeah, now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. Hey yo, I never been so paid that I could forget. All I could remember is the po days. Not a damn thing in that stove days. Turbulent home days. Sometimes I used to burn with my homemades. I'm still hiding them pearls and dropping them gems. Hey,